I got some window seal today. I'm putting it in. Goes up all the way around. First thing to do is to make sure you don't stretch it at all, because this stuff shrinks in my experience, all the trailers I've owned. So any stretch you put on it is just going to suck back. You end up with gaps. So let's see what's happened up here. Yeah, okay, so that's tight against the corner. There we go. You can see that. It makes it very tight against the window, unfortunately. But that will stop a flood getting in here, in this groove. And when that floods, then it flows up through the other side. That's part of the problem why these windows were leaking before, because the seal was no good. Not only was it broken, it was hard as a rock. Well, hard anyway. So here's the original. That's the profile. You can see there's a gap there, a hole. You can see it's where it grips side to side on either side of the hole. That goes into the channel. I couldn't get that exact one, so I got this one. So there's the, you can see the 1/4 inch there between my fingers. And then the seal pops against the window. So to put this in, I put a little silicone grease on the first stretch. I'm not sure it was necessary. You just tuck in the inside portion. I can get it to hold, and then you push down in here, but only with the butt end. Don't use the edge, or you're in a really good chance of cutting it. So I will continue like that, put it in. I'd love to show you, but I can't. I don't have a tripod that works with this camera. That's the idea anyway. You can push it in. It's hard to start. But once it's started, you can push it in with your finger, but I just find this a lot easier. It's out of the groove there. Sorry, 2 hands. So the only way it works. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or even notify, or any of the above, or all of the above. Thank you.